Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and as you guys would have seen in some of my recent videos, we got the S15 back after some massive PDR work and getting resprayed as well. But unfortunately guys, literally the next week after getting it back, something has happened to the Silvia. The front bumper has absolutely copped it. The paint has completely come off, the fiberglass is cracked. This whole side bit here, this is about to come off right here as well. And guys, I don't even know how it happened. Like, I was doing a Macca's run, which I probably shouldn't have been doing in this car, but anyway, I was leaving the driveway, and I've left that driveway a million times with the exact same setup, the same bumper, same height, everything was full sideways, diagonal as well, and somehow I still managed to scrape really bad and bad enough to cause this damage. I just heard a really loud bang noise, and it was different to every other time I've scraped, so I knew something was up. Pulled over, and yeah, obviously I found this damage here. And this front bar hasn't always been in the greatest condition, just from scraping all the time. It's had little pressure cracks and stuff, as you can see here, but nothing too noticeable. You can't really tell until you go up close. It's always kind of been like that, but now that it's had this damage, it's very, very noticeable, and it looks pretty bad. As you can see, it's the first thing you see. I'm gonna get it fixed straight away because this car literally needs to look perfect. I had it looking perfect for like a week, and now this has happened. And yeah, I need to make sure the Silvia still looks good and looks how it should. The Silvia is warming up right now because we're gonna take it down to Trung from PowderHouse. You guys may have seen him in some of Mighty Car Mods videos. He's actually resprayed and painted quite a few Mighty Car Mods cars, and he's been featured on their channel too. But yeah, we're gonna take the S15 down to Trung to fix up my front bar. And here we've got Ryan's beautiful WRX here. He's actually just got some fresh wheels on this thing, and yeah, it looks really, really nice. We're also here with Angelo as well. Booze Kings, you've seen him on the channel heaps of times as well. So guys, what are your honest thoughts on the damage to the front bar? Because you've obviously seen it, fresh paint, fresh everything, and it looked beautiful for 7 days, and now it looks like that. There's that big crack right on it.
I'm trying to keep it PG, so I can't give you my honest thoughts, but I told you to raise it.
Yes, it's actually very true, and you as well, Ryan.
I said the same thing, and just look at it.
They've been both telling me to raise it for over a year, just a little bit, just this much, and I've been like, yeah, I'll do it soon. Never did it, and yeah, this is the result, I guess. Look at this, absolutely cooked completely. So yeah, definitely not good. So yeah, so Trung's also done a bit of work on your WRX too, right?
Yes, correct. It's very dirty, so it's not telling the true work he's done. My whole front bumper was full of like rock chips from the bush from my first owner.
Yeah.
And he resprayed it for me, the whole bar. He even blended in a bit of the hood, which had some rock chips at the end, the edges. Then he did a full STI spoiler, painted and installed it for me as well.
Yes, I remember the STI spoiler. So Trung's also done this spoiler as well.
I gave him one of the worst parts I could find from Jordan.
Yeah, I got this for Ryan for his birthday like ages ago, but yeah, crap fiberglass.
Crappy part. Yeah, he did the best job he could, man. Like literally the worst part, and he made it fit so good, so I'm really happy with it.
And yeah, obviously I'm very keen to go to Trung, have him fix up that front bar, because as you can see, he does absolutely quality work. You can see from Ryan's car, Mighty Car Mods cars of course, and you'll be able to see now as well the quality of the finish that's going to come out of that front bar.
Alright, so we're with Jordan. He's S15.
I want to see Angelo's reaction to some dosage.
Because I don't know what a dose is.
Bro, your whole head went back.
I have to exaggerate a little bit. No, it's fucking good. Fuck.
Dose was fucking sick.
That was different.
That was mad. I'll do that again.
You're letting it off easy?
Yeah.
That's like what I do in the feed.
That was mad.
Fucking hell.
Bro, that sounded sick. Bro.
It just makes it longer.
Yeah, it's like a full pigeon. Alright, so we just dropped the car off at PowderHouse, and yeah, here's the shop over here. So yeah, we flaked off this bit here, and yeah, you can see that it's not in a very good state right now, so it does suck. As I said, obviously I just got the car back and everything, but you know, I want the Silvia to look perfect. As I said, we obviously need to get this whole front bar fiberglass repaired and fixed up. After we pick it up from Trung, the car is going to look immaculate, 110%. We'll pick up the video when we come back to pick up the car, and we'll show you guys the results. Alright guys, so we're back at PowderHouse to pick up the S15, and here it is over here. We got Trung here, he's doing some finishing touches to it. He didn't want to let me leave without making it 100% perfect, so he's currently wet sanding it, I think, to get the orange peel out. Yeah, making it nice and perfect. Absolute legend. I'll put all of his details for PowderHouse here in the description, everything if you guys want to check it out. Highly recommend. I'll show you guys the quality of the bumper after we're done. Very excited to show you guys the bumper all completely finished. It's going to be absolutely awesome. All right guys, so it's the next night and I have the S15 here at Metro Rooftop in the really nice lighting, so we can have a good look at the bumper after it's just been painted from PowderHouse. So Trung at PowderHouse has done an absolutely amazing job. Honestly, he went above and beyond on this bumper repair and paint. He's actually gone out of his way to like make it stronger and reinforce it. Even underneath it as well, it's got this like special material. I don't know what it's called, but it's underneath the bumper and it's like a hardened material, which yeah, he's gone out of his way to like reinforce the whole thing from behind. You know, putting extra fiberglass layers all around it, strengthening it from underneath. So if the bumper does scrape or anything like that, it's going to be less prone to pressure cracks and everything, because that hardened piece underneath is going to take all of that pressure and everything like that. So, and guys, I highly recommend Trung at PowderHouse. Guy's an absolute legend, and he's even done, as I said before, Mighty Car Mods cars as well. And as you can see from their videos, those cars turned out absolutely amazing, and it just goes above and beyond. Like when I got there, he was like buffing and polishing the front to get out a bit of the orange peel and stuff like that, because he goes, nah, I have to make it perfect. And you know, he's definitely a perfectionist, which you can see in the result. And he's recently moved to a new location in Mascot as well. So yeah, it's a really nice spot, really low car friendly. And while you're there as well, there's even a food truck that's just opened up around the corner. It's called Greek on Wheels. I tried it last night and it's actually really good. So yeah, I'd highly recommend the Greek on Wheels there. So while you wait for your car, drop off your car, you can go grab a nice feed from that food truck while you wait. So I'm very stoked with how the whole car is looking now, especially now that the front bar's been taken care of. It just looks absolutely proper, nice and beautiful. And as you can see guys, this is where the main damage was. This was all cracked, and as you can see, that's repaired and looks absolutely beautiful, nice and brand new. Same with this side here, there was just pressure cracks all over here, and that's all been taken care of. So yeah, it's looking really good. And guys, I actually went back to where the damage happened because I couldn't figure out what it was, because I was leaving a Macca's driveway, which I've left a million times, and I'd never hit anything before, so I was very confused. And yeah, I went the next day and there was one of those manholes that's in the ground, in the road, and it was like elevated up like that for some reason. So I don't know what it was, like the road around it was like dipped down. It's like a pothole, or the manhole wasn't installed properly and it was like up like that. And yeah, my front bar, when I was leaving the driveway, I went straight into that manhole and just bam, it caused all of that damage. So yeah, at least I know what it was. I hit a manhole, which is pretty unfortunate, but I guess these things do happen when you drive a low car. It's all part of the game. So I'm gonna leave the video there guys. It was a bit of a quick one, but I wanted to show you guys what happened with the front bar. And yeah, I thought it was pretty funny just how it happened on the third time I drove it after I got it back. Yeah, a bit unfortunate, but as I said, I'm glad it's all fixed up and looking good now. And if you guys want to support the channel, you can head down to ThatCarLife.com.au. We're selling car parts and apparel, and all that stuff goes back into the videos and the channel. So if you guys want to show some love and support That Car Life, if you're loving the videos, you can check out the site. The link's down in the bio below. And yeah, all of your support means the world. So if you enjoyed, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.